How to remove a white background with Adobe Illustrator. First of all, open the photo and click on View. Click on Show Transparency Grid. Select Direct Selection tool. Click on Window, Image Trace. Click on Preset. Drop down. Select High Fidelity Photo. OK. Now close this panel. Go to Object, Expand. Check these two options. OK. Now click outside the canvas. Now click on the white background. Press Delete key on your keyboard. So that's how we can remove white background. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe. Tutorial River. See you in the next video.